Setting up T-Mobile home internet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, ensure you have the necessary equipment, including the T-Mobile home internet gateway and a power cord. Plug in the gateway and turn it on. Then wait for it to boot up and complete its initial setup. Next, download and install the T-Mobile home internet app on your mobile device. This app will guide you through the setup process and provide you with information about your internet connection. Open the app and follow the prompts to create an account and activate your service. Once your service is activated, the app will help you configure your gateway and connect to the internet. You will need to create a network name and password, which will be used to connect your devices to the internet. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to keep your network secure. After configuring your gateway, you can start connecting your devices to the internet. Use the network name and password you created to connect your computers, smartphones, and other devices. You can also use the T-Mobile home internet app to manage your network and devices, including setting up parental controls and monitoring your data usage. To get the best performance from your T-Mobile home internet, make sure to place the gateway in a central location in your home, away from walls and obstructions. You should also update your gateway and app regularly to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. In addition to these steps, it is also important to understand the key concepts of T-Mobile home internet, including the use of 5G and 4G LTE networks to provide fast and reliable internet connectivity. The service also includes a range of features, such as unlimited data and no annual contracts, making it a flexible and affordable option for home internet. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts of T-Mobile home internet, you can quickly and easily set up your service and start enjoying fast and reliable internet connectivity in your home. Remember to always follow best practices for network security and management to ensure your internet connection remains safe and secure.